In this problem, there are two identical English books, three identical Hindi books, and four identical maths books that is given. And we have to find the number of distinct ways of arranging them on a shelf. So, whenever you are getting such kind of questions, you have to see the total number of books that is given. That is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 9 books. And if I want to find the arrangement of that, you will write as number of ways that is equal to 9 factorial. But if you can see here, there are two identical books, which means that those two books are exactly same. The shape and size all are exactly same, which means that if I will arrange either here and here, and I will interchange this one, you will get the same book, which means that arranging these two can be a difficult part for us. So what we'll do, we will divide it with 2 factorial. Since there are 3 Hindi identical books, so we will write divided with 3 factorial. And similarly, if you are having 4 identical maths book, I will divide it with, and that's it. That's the answer that you will get. That is 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial.